Hi, I'm gay. Are you gay too? No, come on now. I'm, Chuck. Chuck's really mean, you know him? Cause he's all crabby, and like, if he threw a ball in this yard, you know, he gets all crazy and cuckoo, and then Devin one time he threw a ball in this yard, and like, Chuck, he was standing by his window, and Devin crawled under us so quiet.
No, come on. I'm Chuck. Chuck's really mean, you know. He's a crabby. He's a bar in his yard. He's a crazy cuckoo. Devin one time he threw a bar in his yard. Chuck is standing by his window, and Devin crawled under us so quiet.
My name's Rhiannon, and my mom, like, one time she was looking for this juice box, like, packet, and, like, she was looking everywhere, and, like, and it was, like, behind her on the table, and she looked back there, she didn't see it, like, totally mad, and then, I was like, Mom, it's right behind you, and she was like, oh, never mind.